Hi, I'm Anna. I'm the team leader of the Brainstormers, which is the team that will be representing the University of Essex in the Cybathlon competition for the BCI race.
We are a team of researchers from the School of Computer Science and Electronic Engineering. We are members of two different groups, the BCI and the Game Intelligence Group, and we're interested in the Cybathlon project because it's actually a competition that is helping us in many different ways.
Cybathlon is the first international competition for people with disabilities competing using different types of assistive technologies. This includes arm prostheses, exoskeletons, robotic wheelchairs and brain-computer interfaces.
A brain-computer interface allows us to control a computer or any kind of electronic device by interpreting the user's mental state. Instead of using mechanical devices like a keyboard or mouse, this is achieved by reading the brain signals and processing them. In this process is usually some machine learning involved, which helps the computer to adapt to the user.
In the brain-computer interface race, pilots have to control a video game just with their thoughts. Many universities and research groups from all over the world have accepted the challenge, and the organizers are already expecting more than 1 million people joining the event in October 2016.
The main challenge of this project is to create a fast and reliable BCI system in order to control the game with as much accuracy and as little frustration as possible. In order for that to happen, this system needs to be fine-tuned to the pilot, which again poses the problem of distance, as he lives hours away by car. Now, this problem is easily overcome by the enthusiasm of our pilot and of the team.
What we've done so far is we've built the first iteration of the system. What that means is we're able to record the neural signatures and classify them with the computer into a machine-readable format that we can use to control the avatar. At the mock race, we were able to correctly classify 3 out of the 4 classes. What we want to do in the second iteration is to build upon that, so we can correctly classify all 4 classes.
Well, 28 years ago, I broke my neck diving into the shallow end of a swimming pool. This left me with no movement from the shoulders down, no hand, no arm movement. If I could think, move my wheelchair forwards, backwards, sideways, that would be truly amazing. If someone came to my house to open the door by just thinking about it, to open and close windows, all of those things we totally take for granted, and they're such an important part of life. I can see that happening with the technology as it progresses.
Visiting Zurich for the Cybathlon rehearsal was a great experience. Watching teams from all over the world coming to participate in the 6 different disciplines was so inspiring. The Brainstormers race was nerve-wracking to watch. Waiting for the preparation and then waiting for the final countdown, and actually watching the avatar jump for that first time means an awful lot, because it means 1, the pilot has thought properly, and 2, that the programming has run smoothly. It was great, and then to actually go on to win our first race was beyond our expectations. To have the whole team to go to Zurich to the inaugural Cybathlon would be great, so that we can all experience together the entire thing.
Our team is mainly composed by PhD students, and despite all the support that we've received from the academics in the University of Essex and a sponsorship from Biosemi, we do not have access to the resources that other teams may have. Everyone has been working really hard to deliver a product that can be presented in the competition, not only for the purpose of winning it, but also in order to advance science. With your support, we will be able to take the whole team with us to Zurich in 2016. Thank you for watching.